Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and we are continuing our 50 questions lead code interview problems. Coming to the question, we are solving this time monthly transaction one question. This is a medium level problem, okay, of lead code. Coming here, checking onto my extension, in which company this question asked till now. Do I am getting any results? No. Okay, we will check. Okay, now I'm getting Adobe, Wayfire, and Wish. In these companies, this question has asked or a similar type of question you can say. Let's jump to the question. So problem name is monthly transactions. So something related to months. Okay, interesting. We are having one transaction table, and we have table ID, country, state, amount, transaction date. Date is the date type, and other data types you can see as well. I'm not wasting much time here, just coming to the question. Okay, so ID is the primary key, that means it is always unique, and table has information about incoming and incoming transactions. Okay, and state is enum, that means approved or declined. We need to write a SQL query to find each month and country, the number of transaction, their amount, and total approved transaction and their amount. Okay, result the table in any order, and query result should be in following example. Honestly, I didn't understood anything. Let's jump to the example and see what is happening here. Okay, and we don't have any, this is input, whole input, and this is the output. We don't have any explanation. This is the thing I hate about lead code. Let's see, we don't have any thumbs up here. Okay, maybe this is the thumbs up. Let's come to the question and see what is happening. What is the approach behind it? Okay, month, first output is month should be extracted from here. Okay, 12/18, this is the date. We need to exclude the date now and focus on month. Okay, and there is only one month, that means they are grouping by this transaction date. Okay, country, so for these two one country, for these two other countries, since these are one month and this one having same date, if you do group by, this is the only thing, only one output, and this is different output, that means two outputs. Transaction count, state count, that means approved, declined, 2, this is 1 approved, this one is 1, this one is also 1, this one is also 1, all three is 1. Transaction amount total, so total is 3000, 2000, 2000, 3000, 2000, 2000, and approved one. So when it, if it is approved, then amount, if it is approved, then amount, then 1000, 2000, 2000. Okay, so this is what you need to find. This question is very easy. If you have watched my this last question, queries and qualities and percentage, I will ask you to solve this question on your own, since it is a very similar type of question. But yes, there is no examples to it, so we are going to solve this time. So select to char. I already written this. Maybe I didn't submitted any. Yeah, so to char, why I'm using to char for this trans date, use comma, come here. What you want? We want year, month. This is an oracle. You can check yours. What is the thing like you guys is having? If you are solving in MySQL or something, just like 2-3 words or different. Maybe here I'm using to char, you already having some date functions. Yeah, so this is the thing, transaction, transactions, transactions, group by, use group by this date, trans date. If you are using group by now, what you can do, yeah, what you can do, just come here and do group by this. Since we don't need to group by date, we need to group by month. So this is the thing we can do. Let's see, this should give our this result, this one's. Let's see. Okay, what we are getting, we are getting Okay, they grouped by this also. So what we need to do, we need to do some more things here. Come here, take country as well, country country. Come here, put this thing in group by 2 so that we will get result. Yeah, coming here, look, now we are getting all three like inputs which we wanted. The state 1812 as US 2019 2019. Wait a minute, yeah, we only want date, right? Yeah, 2018, and this one for Delhi. Okay, this one is for Delhi. Now next thing, total total count. Okay, so total transaction count, nothing. Come here, count of state, STAT. Run this. This should give us transaction count. Yeah, let's see 112. Coming here so that you can see clear. Coming here, this thing, transaction count. So this one, 221. Look, for this 1812 it is something US. 1812 where it is 1812 US, count is 2, and for others it is 11. Okay, now I am giving this as trans count, so it will show only trans count. Now approved count we need to find. So this thing, we need to only count when this thing is approved. So coming here, we need count function. Inside count we are using case when. So case when our state is equal to approved, then what, then what, then 1. And you can end here as well if you want. Just close this and come here and remove this. Okay, this is the only thing, and just come here, copy paste. Why to copy paste? This will give us transaction count, that is always 1 in every case. Let's see. Buckle up, yeah, for 1 for every case, and we are getting correct output as well. Don't see other things, just see this. This is not a transaction count. Transaction count is this, and trans count why we are taking here, this is approved counts. This one is approved, not approved count, bro. That is trans count. Okay, yeah, this one is approved count. Yeah, okay, copy this, paste here using comma, coming down, coming up. Yeah, next thing, transaction total amount. Yeah, this thing is easy. Just come here, count of your money. In which column we are having money? Let's see. In the amount column I am having money. In the amount column, let's run this, and this will give me this thing, 3000, 2000, 2000. For 1218 US it should be 3000. Let's check what we are getting. For this we should get, oh sorry, I'm using count, we should use sum. Sorry, let's now wait for the result, since we want this as sum, right? So yeah, for US 18 it is 2000, for other it is same. Yeah, now coming here, we now always want approved count. Come here, copying this line, since this line is something all, let's forgot, use now. If sum, we are using sum, case when state stat is equal to approved. If state is equal to approved, then it is should be amount. Else I'm not giving, I'm just giving as end, and we are giving as approved total. Yeah, this thing. Let's search and this should work. And I hope we will having something. Yeah, it is accepted as all our this input output is on same place. Look, we already find month, Delhi 111 2000, and I'm guaranteeing you no one is going to teach you this thing like how to make a code, and we are doing this just by doing step by step, and we solved a lead code medium question. If you won't believe what is lead code medium, you can solve it on your own. And yeah, okay, I'm getting one as null. Okay, 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 okay. Coming here, what I'm getting. Look, if this is declined, and okay, if this thing is declined, and this should be giving us as null, but it should be giving as 0. So what we can do, we will use this test case, and after coming here, then amount, else we should use 0. Now run this question, maybe this will work our test case as well. Let's see, hope for the best. Yeah, it is accepting, just accept. Okay, it beats 89.9% of the solution, and it is asked in Adobe Wayfire Fish. If you see, I just literally solved this question in front of you by just doing some backtracking, or we can say just solving some things. Okay, and if you are having any doubts on this question, you can ping it out anyway. I think this is the best question. If you are not understanding this, first watch this one, queries quality and percentage. Just search it down on this channel and you will get a video of it. First, if you watch this, absolutely you will solve this question, I am betting you. And if something is like what I can say restricting you, just come twice watching this video. Just do try to solve this. If not, just some watch some video, take some hints, and then do without watching my solution. Okay, and if you want this solution link, it is already there in the playlist, or we can say in the github link. Okay, github, you can use github for all those solutions. Thank you, bye, see you in the next video.